Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio on Weebly. First, let's get your foundation ready. Begin by selecting a template that truly showcases your unique professional style. Then, choose a memorable domain name that's easy for others to find and share. Finally, set up your Weebly account using your email and a secure password to ensure your work is protected. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now, let's dive into building your portfolio pages. Organize your work by creating dedicated pages for various project categories, making navigation simple for visitors. Upload high-quality images and videos to visually impress your audience. Remember to write concise, impactful descriptions for each portfolio item, highlighting your role and the project's key achievements. Aim for about 3 to 5 projects per category. Beyond your projects, essential sections enhance your portfolio's impact. Craft an About Me page that clearly outlines your skills, experience, and professional philosophy. Next, create a contact page offering several ways for potential clients or employers to connect with you. Finally, boost your credibility by featuring client testimonials or endorsements, showcasing positive feedback from past collaborations. You're almost there. Before going live, meticulously review all your content for accuracy, grammar, and visual appeal. Ensure every link works perfectly. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your professional portfolio accessible to the world. Don't forget to share your new portfolio link across all your professional networks and social media platforms to maximize its reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.